Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of __. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post metal, decor, and forge ideas videos on daily basis. Metal grills are among the most versatile and widely used metalwork products in architecture, engineering, and industrial applications, combining structural function, airflow management, security, and aesthetic expression. A grill, broadly defined, consists of a network of bars, wires, perforated sheets, expanded metal, or molded elements arranged to allow passage of air, light, sound, or visibility while providing a measured degree of separation or protection. Metal grills are found in building facades, HVAC systems, security screens, machine guards, stair balustrades, and decorative veneers, and their performance depends on material choice, geometry, manufacturing method, surface treatment, and the interface with surrounding components. Material selection informs almost every performance attribute of a metal grill. Carbon steel is strong and economical, making it suitable for structural grills, heavy-duty security screens, and industrial guards. Because plain carbon steel will rust when exposed to moisture or corrosive environments, it is often galvanized, painted, or powder-coated to prolong service life. Stainless steel is chosen where corrosion resistance and hygiene are paramount. Medical facilities, food processing plants, coastal buildings, and outdoor applications where long-term exposure to the elements is expected. Stainless grades vary in corrosion resistance and cost. 304 is common indoors, while 316 provides greater resistance to chloride-rich environments. Aluminum offers a lightweight option with intrinsic corrosion resistance and is commonly used in facade grills, sunshades, and interior perforated panels where weight savings and ease of installation are priorities. Decorative metals such as brass, bronze, and copper appear in architectural contexts where patina, warm tones, or historical reference are desired. Their reactivity and higher cost generally relegate them to accent applications rather than heavy-duty uses. The geometry and pattern of a grill determine functional properties such as free area, the open area permitting passage of air or light, structural stiffness, and visual transparency. Simple parallel bars maximize strength in one direction and are often used in security grills and balustrades. Crossed bars or mesh create two-way strength and finer screens against intrusion or debris. Perforated metal, sheets punched with regular arrays of round, slotted, or decorative holes, offers a controlled open area with continuous backing support, useful for speaker covers, HVAC diffusers, and sun shading when acoustics or visual screening are required. Expanded metal, created by slitting and stretching a sheet, forms diamond-shaped apertures and is prized for its high strength-to-weight ratio and anti-slip properties. It is often used for stair treads, protective guards, and aesthetic facade panels. Woven wire mesh, available in numerous weave types, wire diameters, and opening sizes, serves filtration, insect screening, security, and decorative functions. The interplay of aperture size, wire or bar thickness, and spacing defines performance metrics such as airflow resistance, optical transparency, and impact resistance. Manufacturing techniques provide designers and engineers choices that impact cost, scalability, and design freedom. Stamping and punching perforated metal are efficient for high-volume production and enable precise, repeatable hole patterns. Expanded metal is produced in continuous rolls and requires less waste than punching processes, making it economical for large-area applications. Woven and welded wire mesh are available in rolls or panels and allow customization in diameter and spacing for filtration or reinforcement. Laser cutting and water jet cutting permit highly detailed and bespoke patterns in sheet metal, enabling custom decorative grills, corporate branding, or complex geometries that were once impractical. Fabrication processes, rolling, bending, welding, and finishing, completed to appropriate tolerances ensure flatness, alignment, and consistent visual quality in architectural installations. Functional performance of metal grills is frequently quantified by parameters relevant to the application. In HVAC systems, pressure drop across a grill and throw patterns determine airflow distribution, occupant comfort, and energy use. Free area percentage and pressure coefficient charts guide designers to select grill patterns that achieve required volumetric flow rates without undue fan energy penalties. In security applications, resistance to forced entry is essential. Grill geometry, material thickness, mounting details, and anchorage into surrounding structures all contribute to rated security levels. Acoustic performance is also a consideration. Perforated panels backed by absorptive materials are used in auditoriums and offices to balance daylighting and sound control, and the perforation pattern and backing depth tune the absorption spectrum. Surface treatments extend durability and refine appearance. Hot dip galvanizing provides sacrificial corrosion protection to steel grills in demanding outdoor and industrial environments, adhering even to edges and internal apertures. Powder coating offers a durable, decorative finish in a wide color range and hides minor surface imperfections while improving resistance to abrasion and UV. Electroless nickel plating, chrome plating, and anodizing for aluminum are used where specific surface properties or aesthetics are required. For heritage or decorative metals, controlled patination and protective lacquers can produce a stable, aged finish that avoids further uncontrolled corrosion while maintaining visual character. In coastal or chemically aggressive environments, careful selection of compatible metals and isolating coatings is important to prevent galvanic corrosion when different metals are in contact. Mounting, integration, and tolerancing are practical aspects that determine installation success. Grills are typically frame-mounted to allow for secure anchorage and tolerance compensation for site imperfections. Removable access panels are often integrated into grill design for maintenance tasks, cleaning, filter replacement, or equipment access, without sacrificing security or weatherproofing. For facade applications, clamping systems, adjustable brackets, and hidden fasteners balance the need for a clean visual plane with allowance for thermal movement, differential expansion between materials, and ease of replacement. Aesthetic considerations are significant in architectural uses. Metal grills can be both transparent and graphic elements, casting patterned shadows, modulating daylight, and contributing to facades' three-dimensionality. Large-scale perforated screens filter sunlight and reduce glare while also creating privacy gradients. The density and orientation of apertures can be varied across a facade to optimize solar control and view preservation. In interiors, decorative punched patterns or laser-cut motifs provide visual interest on elevator lobbies, reception desks, and partition walls. The reflectivity and finish of the metal, matte, brushed, polished, or patinated, further modulate the visual richness and maintenance expectations. Safety and regulatory considerations influence material and design choices. In public spaces, grill openings must comply with local building codes to prevent entrapment or injury. Balustrade and guardrail grills must resist specified loads and prevent climbability where required. Fire performance is another concern. Open-area grills used in egress routes or smoke control systems must be coordinated with fire dampers, smoke barriers, and intumescent devices as appropriate. For HVAC and filtration applications, material choice affects flammability, chemical resistance, and cleanability. A stainless steel grill in a sterile processing area meets different standards than a powder-coated steel grill in a lobby. Applications of metal grills span scales and disciplines. In industrial contexts, grills protect machinery while enabling ventilation. In transportation, they form radiator and speaker covers. In retail, they function as security shutters and storefront screens. In architecture, they mediate light, privacy, and identity. Specialized meshes filter particulate matter in processing plants or serve as sieves and screens in mining and agriculture. In historic restoration, bespoke metal grill work replicates ornamental patterns while being fabricated with modern corrosion-resistant alloys for improved longevity. Ultimately, metal grills merge practical engineering with aesthetic possibilities. The choice of metal, pattern, and finish determines their performance in airflow, security, acoustics, and visual impact. Manufacturing methods from punching and expanding to weaving and laser cutting enable both mass-produced and highly customized solutions. With attention to mounting details, corrosion protection, code compliance, and sustainability, metal grills perform reliably across industrial, commercial, and architectural contexts while offering designers a powerful tool to shape light, air, and experience.